is on the floor. You have to just give it your all. That is all we ask, okay? So even if you don't get the move right, it's absolutely fine. Just keep going. My motto is, if in doubt, whine it out.
I may just have to take that one up.
Yeah, literally. So don't get too high up on the choreo. Pick it up where you can. The main thing that I want to see is that you guys are just having fun with it. And then obviously for the chorus, you can just freestyle whatever you like. Yeah? You guys, it's down to you guys to hype them up so that they can perform it to their fullest. Yeah? But we'll have to give them something to dance and hype them up. Yeah? So you have to make sure you're pumping them so that they can give you the scream. Yeah? So the more you're enjoying yourself, the more they'll enjoy watching you. You ready?
I know.
Ready, ladies?
Yep.
Just have fun with it, okay?
Hi guys, welcome back. We are about to do a step class. Lots and lots of fun. So yeah, I'm not that tired this afternoon compared to the morning. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so yeah, we're about to do step. This is the Zumba line. Guys, currently waiting for the Zumba. Yeah, so currently in the line to go Zumba, so it should be fun. So I'll have water. So yeah, it's been good. We've had fun. Yeah, it's been a good weekend. Yeah, it's been a very good weekend. So we're gonna sweat a bit more. So yeah, subscribe to the channel.
Come on forward. Yeah.
just finished the mega ball. There's all the balls around. Yeah, all the balls. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is the final day of the free fitness luxury spa weekend. As you guys can see, I am ready for another day of fitness. So we're gonna go down and have breakfast now, and then after that we've got classes at 9 o'clock. So yeah, gonna go down, have breakfast, but I'm equipped. So yeah, another day of fitness, why not? So guys, if you've never come across this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you like the video and you share where you can. Right, I'm gonna head out. As you guys can see, let me come closer. Yep, that is me. I got my little pouch. Yep. So yeah, let's get ready and let's go. Right, currently walking down for breakfast. But yeah, look my eyes. We're walking down for breakfast now. So it's the final breakfast of the event. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys really do enjoy this. If you ever want to do this, I would highly recommend it. It's definitely fun and worth it. So yeah, let's go and eat. It's definitely worth it.
Full of fun.
Breakfast up. So got the cornflakes.
Well, look, hold it in that position. Hold that position if it's too painful. Stay there. Stay where you are for a second. I want the foam roll at the mid part of your upper thigh. Guys, let's be real. This weekend you've worked hard and it's all built up. And why? You're right, straight leg.
Yeah, me too.
One more. Thank you. Can you please turn towards the other side? Face this way. Foam roller. Put the foam roller right on that mid part of the thigh. This is the teacher of the group. Nice and gentle. Here we go. Go, roll. All the way. Straight leg is all the way. That's it. Roll this in. Good. Thank you. All the way up, please.
Sorry.
Let's go. Four more. 3, 2, 1. Hold it in the middle where it's tender. Hold it in the middle where it's tender, please. Take a deep breath in, hold it. Hold it in the middle where it's tender. Thank you very much. Look to the side and smile about the camera. Simple and chill. Roll. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Roll the way up. Come on. One more. One more. Face this way, please. Turn this way. Face this way. As you're facing this way, all I want you to do, this is a nice easy one. Alright? You're going to lie into a plank position, forearm on the floor. Foam roller literally here. And you're going to roll down to your knee and back up by doing it, or keeping that plank position. Thank you. Okay. Draw the belly button tightly in and roll. This is a nice easy one. Okay? Yes, that's it. That's it. Brace and push through. 3, 2. One more. Excellent. Okay, do me a favour, stand up. Yes or yes? Pick it up now. Yeah, God. Do it again. 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 16 more. Count it. 16. Where you at? Anyone? Do it. Ouch. Come on. Yeah. Come on. We're back here next year on the 22nd to the 24th of November. Okay, so we will. Where's Fiona? Can you write the details, Fiona? And then we'll get in contact. Big out for Carla. She's so this stage, then come up, she can say goodbye and thank you. John will play the tune, hopefully now.
So we've had a hot drink, so we are officially heading back. Yeah, just walking to the car now. The good thing about the event, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a coach. There's a coach. Oh, wait. There's a coach over there. And when you come to the event, everybody leaves by coach. Just over there. So that is the beautiful thing. Everyone's getting on a coach, if you guys can see. So if you live in London, get the coach to get to the event, okay? But yeah, I am out, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.